Hello, all my darlings. So this, can you believe it? This is a wig. This has such a beautiful lace in the front, and this is probably absolutely one of my favorites. There are groups on Facebook that people sell their wigs because they didn't like the color, it wasn't the right fit, too large, too small, whatever reason. There are actually people in Facebook groups that have really nice sellers, and I think probably influencers that have so many wigs that they've done videos on that they just pass them on at a good price for you. That's how I found this wig. I liked it. She was showing it. She had it on. I like the look of it. It's funny how it looks so different on me than it did her because it was just based on personal styling. So when you're looking at a wig, think about how you can style it. Like I pushed this back more and warmed it up. I styled it back. Sometimes I put on a baseball cap. I pulled the hair back to set it, to just get it more off my face as opposed to a downward swoop. So that's how she was wearing it. But I could see it had just exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something kind of from my earlier days before silver gray hair. I used to use a color when I first started. I used this and it was already white and gray, but I wanted to just help the process along and then go gray and then let it grow out. And I used this and it was really nice. It looked really white. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. About wigs is just how affordable you think they're not. You think, oh, that's just too much money. What's too much money is, guess what? Prior to me going gray and getting rid of all the coloring products, which how many of you, I had to do this every 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks. I also had to buy this at about $10, $11 each, and I had to do my roots from about day 2 or 3 every day. So I had to use this root cover up, and you go through this in about a week or two. And then I had to, with the gray, as it was growing out, I had to buy expensive powder to sprinkle in to fill in because you can see my scalp is pink and my hair is thin. This was about, I think this was around $29 euros. Every day you had to style your hair. So let's start with the moosing my hair, and then start with the thickening spray. Then I put thickening spray, and then I would put in, of course, we needed our keratin, we need our heat resistant for styling. Of course, more of this on to cover up the roots, and all of that product to get volume in my hair is a lot of money. When you're thinking about that on a weekly, monthly basis, I guarantee I was spending up to $100 in just product for the month. Volumizing shampoo, volumizing conditioner, everything, just one thing after the other of product really adds to your budget. A wig can cost, of course it can cost for human hair, you can talk about $1,000, but let's talk about this wig. So this wig has the most beautiful, it's very low density, it's very natural feeling, and you can see how soft it is. It's just absolutely wonderful to wear. It's so lightweight. Once you start wearing wigs, you'll know which ones are hard to wear for hours and which ones will just feel like you forget you have one on. And that's what this wig does for me. I forget I have it on. I really like this lace front. It looks so natural. And if I want to have more of my hair out, that is when I can come back in. Guess what you can do? You can go back with the root spray. I have white hair, but you can go in with the root spray and darken the hair that you want to pull out. If you have this white, see I have white hair right here, I just spray the teeniest amount of root spray on that, and then I can make that blonde so that on the roots or the hair that I want to pull in to make it look really completely natural, then I can do that. This wig, I found her, and the lady was selling her for $99. $99. And I thought, well, that's my budget, right? I can do that. That's fantastic. When you want multiple wigs, $99 is fantastic, right? Some of my other wigs, I think, range from $300 to $400, but you can always find, there's great companies out there that I have found them on sale, and been able to wait until there's a good 30% discount going on. So look for those. I can put some links below where you'll find those discounts. But this wig I bought from her, I got it and I put it on and I was like, where have you been? Where have you been? And one, I just wanted to have sometimes a look where I wasn't silver. And I love my silver. I love my silver wig. And the last wig I did was my silver wig. And I love her. But I just think it's once you get used to wearing these, it's so much fun on the days that you just don't want to see silver. You're like, well, remember when you used to be a blonde? Remember when you used to be a brunette? And you want to look like that? Buy a wig. When you don't want to cut your hair short and cut it all off in a pixie like everyone tells you to, buy a wig. Now, with a $99 wig, you can have multiple wigs of multiple lengths and colors. So this particular wig, she comes from a company called the Wig Company. After I got her and I thought, well, I need to see what else do they have. I looked them up, link below, and found that they normal price is about $149, but they're just most of the time on sale for $99. So you don't have to wait to find one on Facebook show up. You can find one just like this, $99 to up to $149, from this length shorter to long. And so I can't wait. I'm going to pick up 2 more when I go back to the States in a couple of months. I'll be back in the US because I don't want to pay the high shipping to Europe. I am so happy with this. So I'm going to take it off. I want to show you the inside. So let's take her off and show you. You know, these wig grips are great. You can get these wig grips online. It's left lace with lace front. And she is so light, easy to wear. I don't hardly find tangles much. She's a good length for not tangling a lot. But even with all the wind and wearing her, it's not like some of my other wigs. You can just cinch it in. As you can see here, it's the wig company called Statements. It's in the color F18101, and this is called Luxurious. It's an average 21 to 22. You can buy different sizes, petite, average, and large. It's just a wonderful, and it has Velcro tabs so you can tighten it and loosen it. And then you just put your head in, pull it on, put her where you want her. That looks like your natural hairline. And there's hair tabs with metal tabs in it, and that's so that you can push it in. And I have to say, this one fit me perfect and average, and the ear tabs fall right where I want them to fall because I like to wear sunglasses and I like to wear regular glasses during the day. And I do have contacts, but a lot of times I just wear my glasses. So be sure and find that right fit for yourself. You can measure your circumference to find the right fit for your size. But I like this one because I feel like the ear tabs come right where I want them to, where when I wear my glasses, the ear tabs don't have to go over the glasses. I'll show you. I'll put these glasses on. So when I put this on, they go right at, I can position them right at the top where it's not making a big gap. And see, even pulling my white hair in a little bit on my sideburn hairs blends in, even though it's gray, it just looks like a little bit of highlight, doesn't it? Those tabs I feel like are in a good position that doesn't look awkward and looking unnatural around my ear. It just styles beautifully. It's one that I like to pull back sometimes. I think she's a great length. Have worn her, 20 times or more. To me, that tells me they're really high quality for being the price. A great lace front. I love her. If you're thinking about getting a wig, don't think that they're too expensive. Think about all those products that I talked about in the beginning that just breaks the bank on you month after month to try to maintain a beautiful hair color and style. Let that gray grow out. Don't cut it off if you don't want short hair, or cut it off and have short hair underneath your wig. And then just, if you want length and you want it longer, you want more volume, you want fast style, a wig is very doable. It's very, very price friendly with this type of wig from the Wig Company. I hope this helps you look towards the future of what you might possibly do about buying a wig and considering the cost, how you're going to save money with the wig. You're going to save time, You're going to save money. It's going to make your life stress-free. This makeup I just did called a no makeup look. Here's the video. Here's a link to the video above. This makeup, out the door fast. Put your hair up, put a wig on, and you're out the door in style. So I hope this helped you. Thanks for being here today, and I'll see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.